Target Trading Academy.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm making a video for you on January 9th, first day of the week here. And we've got a handful of trades from Eric, Paul, and Mark, a total of 20. 12 winners, 8 losses, and no break-evens for January 9th. And we'll get started with Eric. Okay, so Eric has a long here at 1106, partial target filled, and then it comes close to the stop and then reaches down, unfortunately, hits his stop and then turns around and goes up. So it was a partial loss there for him to get started. Next trade here is a short at 1235. This is a winner. And then his third trade here, 1401, he even mentioned in his email that he was way too late, and there's no doubt about that, folks. It breaks out above where this yellow line is. It's through the top of the channel. The trending algo is trending straight up. The prices are above the channel. And as I responded to him, he's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars late. And at least 2, maybe 3 points, and that was the difference between making money and losing. But it's a learning process, and he knew it. But anyways, that was a long at 1401, and that was it for Eric. 3 trades today. Okay, we have a group of trades. I'm going to have to slide this around a bit. This is from Paul. They were all on the same chart. So one screenshot and all of the trades, which is about 8 or 9 of them on here. So the first one's 1235. It's a short and a winner. And then he's looking for continuation. 1237 short, and it's a partial loss. Partial winner. Trailing stop came down, so a partial loss there at 1237. Then over here at 1311, looking for a breakout short, and it's a loss. 1317 long and a winner. 1334 short and a runner for a winner. And then it's still running, so he goes short again at 1343 for another winner. But then he's looking for a quick turnaround here at 1352 long, and he gets out of 2 of them right away because it's not doing much. And then the trailing stop was hit, so that was a loss there at 1352. Then he looks for a reversal at the top of this zone and gets stopped out for a loss, a small one, but still a loser. And then now the buyers are coming in, range is extending, so he goes long at 1401 with the blue bars, and he gets that range extension for a winner. So yeah, a lot of trades there, all on one screen. Good job overall, Paul. Those were all, by the way, in the micro ES, and they were all sim. Okay, next up is Mark. His first trade here is sim, and it is the NASDAQ for a winner. Got to let at least one of those run, Mark, but good trade. Okay, now we have a short in the micro ES at 1101 for a small winner. And now a live trade in the micro ES. This is in the afternoon, 1524 for a small winner. Just a 1 lot there. Alright, so here's another one that was late, and so I replied to Mark about this, and as we see here once again, it's just the opposite of one of the other trades we looked at. So it's breaking below the bottom of the channel. 1 or 2 bars could have something. When you got 3, that really should be a good move. Long-term and short-term HFT traders are very bearish. The trend is coming up, and unfortunately Mark gets in at the bottom way too late. It's about, again, another 2 or 3 points at least, maybe 6, 7 bars too late. And that just, as you can see in 2 trades in this one video, made all the difference in the world between not only having a good winning trade, but avoiding a, I think it was it may be 2 max losers. This one certainly was. Now, a tip for Mark and everybody else out there: if let's say you happen to be getting a cup of coffee at the time, or you're on the phone and you're now focused, the first thing you want to do before you get ready to click that mouse button and get into a trade, whether it's manually or through some sort of trading program, is and let's just keep it in this example here, understanding that there's this breakout that has already happened and already moved, you have to step back a bit and say, yes, it may drop a few more points, but I'm willing to let that happen because I know if I get in now, then I just know it's too late. Okay, so just let it happen. And this one crawled back inside the channel here, and if it rolled over and went down from here, if it didn't hit that trailing stop line, and if, let's say, that happened and then it got stopped out, well, at least you did the best you could by trying to avoid selling the low, and you still lost. But in this case, he wouldn't have been filled at all because it just kept going up and the stop was hit. So hopefully that helps everyone going forward. Okay, moving on. A couple of trades short here at 1207 for Mark, and a partial exit for the win, and then a partial exit above both shorts. So I'm going to mark that one down as a partial loss. But then he gets that all back. Short in the ES sim and a big winner there. Good job. And then short at, I'll adjust the bottom a bit, 14.59 in the ES for a winner. And then one more trade at 15.14 short for another winner. Good job there. Nice comeback on the last three trades. Real nice. All right, so that's going to do it for this trade on Monday, January 9th. Once again, we had a total of 20 trades, 12 winners, 8 losses, and no break-evens. And if you'd like to come and join our students and find out how they're making these trades and they swear by their indicators and not at them, let us know. Give us a call. Contact us through our Facebook page or our website, and we'll be happy to get more info out to you. Until then, trade well.